What's happening, Hardscapers? Whatever day it is here now, we're coming to a close on this project. We got cuts done, lighting tested, going in. Let me show you what we're doing. So before we glue our caps down, what we're gonna do with each of our lights is just ensure that each of the LEDs are indeed working, that there's no burnouts, and then we can cut in little grooves for the wire to run along the wall, glue these down, get them nice and centered, and then glue our caps down. Then we're on to polying, and this will be a wrap here. You can see the importance of compacting after putting in the sand. Just look how far this sand has gone down in this joints. Up to an inch in some places, and then we will sweep in and compact again. There were a few stones that actually cracked that you saw me there having to lift up, to break them apart, lift them up, get new ones down, and luckily we just had enough stones to be able to do that. That was a little bit frustrating. 3 stones is a lot. None of these stones cracked, but having 3 stones on a small walkway like this is a lot to have crack for sure. Alright, that's this one down. Poly in, lights all installed, caps glued. We're gonna add some decorative stone in there with some non-woven geotextile. And that's that. So this is exactly what we want to see with this. Not perfect, because we don't want it going into our base. So essentially what we do here now is we put some woven geotextile that impedes the passage of water. It doesn't allow it to go through like non-woven, but it impedes it. It still goes through, but at a slower rate. And then with some river rock into this swale, so that that water gets captured by that woven geotextile and moves away from the face of the wall. It's good that the drain is working. Again, we don't want it going into the base, but that's the next step for this. And what we did here to make a transition zone, because our driveway is sloped and the retaining wall is level, so essentially at some point that retaining wall is going to meet the driveway and it'll be higher than it, because it should be level to where it is over there. So what we did here was we sloped this final wall block. So it's a cut piece of a smaller one, and essentially we cut it on an angle on its side, which allows us to then put a slope on it to meet the driveway, and then some poly in there. And that is a wrap for this project. We've got our lights installed, our steps all done. We added a little decorative stone area up in this corner just to dress things up a little bit. Added a few little boulders. I'll play with those to get the configuration right. Steps, walkway, all done. Hey, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog series on this build here. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, especially with the lights. I want to see these at night. We are going to be pressure washing these caps, the stone, the walls, and filling in some topsoil with some seed coming down the walkway, down the slope here, and just dressing things up nicely. We still have the front garden bed, got about half of it done, and we're gonna finish that up. So probably about 2 more days on this job to just tidy things up and get that garden wall built. But if you enjoyed these vlog series, please give this a like. Comment below anything that you have in regards to questions, comments, anything at all. Comment section below, please, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content. Thank you so much for watching.